All right, take 202. Here is Happy Birthday in the key of G. You're gonna need to know your G chord, your D chord, your C chord, and of course back to your G. We're also gonna show you how to do a Happy Birthday in the key of A. You're gonna need to know A, E, D, and A. So let's play it in a straight style first, and then we'll have some fun with it, okay? Here is Happy Birthday in the key of G. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Key of A. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. All right, let's kick it up.